Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with another grocery haul. I just did a weekly shop and I am actually going to be filming a video on my favourite Slimming World snacks. So I tried to find a certain thing and it ended up I was at a few different supermarkets. So we've got stuff from Asda and Tesco. I did go to Morrison's as well, but I can't remember what else I got. There might be a few things from Morrison's. So 3 different supermarkets to try and find this. It was actually the Swedish Glace vanilla sticks and all 3 supermarkets didn't have them. And I was like, well, I am not going to Sainsbury's, the 4th and only supermarket left that would have done them. Today we are doing the grocery haul, so I'll stop rambling and we'll just get into it, and I'll let you guys know as well what I'm going to be making with everything. If you enjoy grocery hauls, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, stop rambling, Gillian, let's go. So here is a little overview of everything that I bought. It's not a huge amount, but it was just a little top-up shop and some ingredients that I needed for recipes, and I've just remembered there's a couple of things in the freezer. I will get them out just now. There we go, that's a bit better. All this stuff's from the freezer. I did think it looked a little bit small for the amount of time I was in Tesco, but yeah, shall we just go left to right since I'm here anyway, and I'll need to put the frozen stuff back before it defrosts. Please excuse that. Ugly Freddo cookie jar. It is not mine, it is Ryan's, and one day I'm gonna say goodbye to it and hope he doesn't notice. Anyway, Tesco got some petit pois. I don't know what the difference between that and garden peas are, but I heard that these are nicer, so I got some of those. This is for curries or stir fries, just to add some green veg in. I got these to try. I don't know how many sins are in these each, but I will put it on the screen here. But it's the Tesco meat-free chicken style nuggets, just purely because they didn't have any corn ones, and I thought it'd be good to give those a try. Tesco meat-free mince. All supermarket mince has been really nice so far. I've never had a bad experience with supermarket's own brand like Morrison's or Asda, so I got that. Frozen sliced peppers to add into stir fries or to make fajitas with. I got frozen raspberries to add to my porridge. Tub of Ben & Jerry's peanut butter and cookies, non-dairy ice cream. Not gonna lie, I shouldn't really have bought this, but it was on offer for $3.50 and I couldn't resist because it's usually like $5.50, so got that. I just need to pace myself and not have the whole tub at once. Cornettos, I got these for Ryan to try. It was me that had that one. I think it's 9 or 10 cents for one, but totally worth it. They are so good. I got plain flour. I've already opened it because I made cookies last night for Ryan. They are just normal chocolate chip cookies, but I didn't have any plain flour, so I had to buy some. Alpro Soy Light, I like that, or the oat unsweetened for my cereals or porridge in the mornings. I got the dark chocolate chips, those were for the cookies. These are for cookies as well. They are just vanilla essence and baking powder. I also got a little small bottle of olive oil for a recipe. I think it was to make a vegan omelette, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll need to double check what it was for because I can't really remember. White wine vinegar. This was to make a burger in a bowl. I was going to make a vegan version of the Slimming World recipe, and you need to make your own mayonnaise, and the mayonnaise recipe was tofu, which I've got over to the right, and some white wine vinegar was some of the ingredients. Maybe I'll do a video while I make that. I've got a jar of PB Fit powdered peanut butter. This is really good and I have run out of my jar. It's like £4, but it lasts so long, so I don't mind buying it. This was from Asda because I couldn't find it at Tesco. This is also for my burger in a bowl recipe. It's just French's yellow mustard. And I've got 2 butters because Ryan doesn't like, well, he's not got anything against Vitalite, but he just thinks it's not salty enough like Lurpak. So we're trying to find a dairy-free alternative of Lurpak that Ryan can like. So I got this to try. I've never had Flora for years and years, so I don't even know what it tastes like, but we shall see. Speaking of Ryan, I got him this pizza. We did have it last night, that's why it's open, but I wanted to keep the box to show you. Tomato stuffed crust takeaway pizza with barbecue jackfruit. I don't really like barbecue flavours, so I wouldn't have liked this, but he said it was nice. I got a big thing of bananas. They are absolutely huge, but I'm waiting for them to ripen up, and they are good for in the mornings or to add into my smoothies. I got Warburton's Thins and then realised it's Kinsmill that's only the health extra B, so I'll just need to either ignore that little rule or sin it for 6 cents. But I really like these for lunches. I got some fruit. So we've got grapes, raspberries that are out of date today, and I noticed one has a little bit of mould on it, so that's not good. So I'll need to use them up. And these are out of date, so great. Love fruit that lasts. I'll need to use these today, or I bet it would work if I froze them. But berries don't last very long, it really annoys me. That's why I got the frozen kind as well. What else did I get? A little pomegranate to add into my yoghurt in the mornings. I thought that would be a nice little change, and I read that pomegranates are in season just now. Packet of easy cook brown rice. Baby potatoes to have in salads. I got this veggie stock pot. One of the recipes I'm making asks for it, but I can't actually remember what recipe it is, so I'll need to go back and look at what I had been hoping to make this week. I got this tofu, which is a little bit different from the usual cauldron one. This one is softer, so it helps to make the mayonnaise with the soft tofu rather than the firm. So I had to get that in the World Food section on Tesco. I got Weight Watchers wraps. I want to make some wrapped pizzas with those. I got some vegan corn ham slices. These are really good to go onto the Warburton's Thins for lunches, because these are free on Slim World. Looks like that. It doesn't look very nice, but it does taste good. Next we have a couple of Alpro yogurts. I've got strawberry and vanilla. These are my two favourites, and I think it's 1 cent per 100 ml, if I remember correctly. The cents are worth these ones because it's not very much in the whole tub. I got some beans. I really liked these the last time I used these in a what I eat in a day video, so I got some more. I got some chickpeas because you need the chickpea water for the vegan omelette, and I can use the chickpeas to roast them or something. And I got some red kidney beans, just handy to have in the freezer, in the cupboard. I find these, I'd never seen these before. I don't know if they're new or if I just hadn't discovered them before now, but they're like little crunchy bites. They actually taste really good. I had a few out another packet that I've got in the cupboard. I got 2, so I've already dug into one, and they do taste like crunchy, and Ryan liked them as well. And then last but not least, I got my good old Monster. This was £6 for an 8-pack, which I think is a really good deal at the moment, and that was Tesco. So yeah, that is my food shop for the week, and I will actually go and check what recipes I was going to make, and I'll let you know. So for the recipe part, I'll just let you know what I'm going to make, and then I will link them all down below in case you fancy making them as well. So for the frozen peppers, like I said, I wanted to make fajitas, and then I can use the wraps for that as well. I also wanted to make the pizza using a Weight Watchers wrap, so I think there is a recipe on that. I'm sure there is, I'll find it. I will leave a link for the chocolate chip cookies, however I don't know how many sins are in each of them. I assume it's quite high, but they are really good. The burger in the bowl I wanted to make, and then you make your own vegan mayonnaise so that it's not 5 sins for a tablespoon. I made that actually since filming the grocery haul, and it's quite good, so I will leave that down below as well for you in case you want to make that, and that is totally free on Slim World, so that's really good for a salad dressing or to dip veggies into or something like that. The burger in the bowl is a Slim World recipe that's just not vegan, but I veganised it obviously, and yeah, I feel like I can do that with a lot of Slim World recipes and just cater it to my nutritional needs. I wanted to try and make cauliflower pizza base, but I'm all kind of pizzaed out at the moment, so I'll maybe make that next week. So I do have a cauliflower sitting in the fridge ready for that. I will leave that down below too in case you want to make it. Oh, the omelette, that's what it was. I knew there was something big that I wanted to make. A lot of it asks for chickpea flour, but I'm going to try and make it with, I think it's brown rice flour, and the recipe is a little bit different from the usual vegan omelette, so it's meant to be more like fluffier and tastes nicer, so we'll see how that goes. It's just a lot of things for lunches and dinners. Breakfast, I just really got the fruit and yoghurt for, and then using healthy extra bees for lunches and dinners, things like that. Basically, I'll leave everything down in the description box below, everything that I mentioned that you might want to make, all the recipes and stuff like that. So apologies again for the audio clips that where my hand was over the microphone and I didn't realise. I'm sorry about that, but I still thought I would post this video because I like the recipe ideas. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me, that would mean a lot, and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is